So in this video we're going to be talking about links in your HTML tab, and we're just going to be working off the same project as last time. So let's start. As you see on the screen right now, what you write between the two A's, like more about elephants, it's just the text that's going to show on the page, and it's not really that important. Then you go and copy a link you want to link in your HTML and put it between the two after href, and that's going to be the page that your user is sent to when clicking on this link. So as you see, it works, and you get taken to the Wikipedia page about elephants, as I have linked here. And if you link to pages that are outside of your own website, it's often practice to target a blank, which basically means if you use this code, it opens in a new tab, which is really useful for just having the person still on your page and not losing that one. It's really nice, and just that's about it. This is how a code for links look like. You have the text that shows on the page. As you see, you can just change it a bit, and it doesn't affect where the link takes you. It just affects how it looks on the page. But yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked it and learned something new.